Alright, so this is unboxing of a mouse rest by Razer. Razer. And that's the code. It's made in China, usual. Nice plastic wrap. I got this for like $10. It's good enough. It's a bit tough to get out. Let's see. This is the under. And this is the front. You see the logo? And yeah. It's good enough to game. So this would be like almost a 60%. So I'll bring up 60%. So this is good enough for a 60%. So you can go like this. But when you game, you just move it like that. Nice and comfortable. Because when you game, you just this, so you can buy like two mouse ones, like one for your mouse and one for the 60 keyboard. Because you can just type like that, no problem. Yeah, really no problem. Because my hand can span this far. Yeah, this is good enough. $10. If you have a 60%. Razer's not gonna like that though, because they want you to buy the $20 one. This is $10, so it's a good entry level. So yeah, that's the wrist rest, and it's nice. It's I'm not sure what's inside, but it's sewn together. It's not leather. So it's all sewn, it's like plastic in the back and sewn together. And there's a logo. So yeah, that's Razer. The wrist rest. I recommend it. I haven't used it long enough, but the reviews are pretty good. It's nice and soft, and you can just type like that. And it really covers the whole board. Because it's big enough to cover the whole board for this $10. So you have a 60%. And then you need a wrist rest, go Razer. It's so big. So big. Alright, thanks for watching.